Hello student, in a previous video we see about the question paper format of science. Today we discuss about how to represent the science paper in board exam. So this is the question paper of board question paper of March 2020. So your question paper format is same for in this year also. There is no change. In question first A, write the correct alternative. First question. So when you are solving this question, that time you firstly write the whole sentence of this question and then choose the correct answer and underline to answer. Okay, here the question is, according to Mendeleev's periodic law, properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. So atomic number is the correct answer. So when you write this question, then you write firstly this whole sentence, then you write the correct answer atomic numbers and underline to the atomic number answer. Second question, same. The vapor content in the air is measured using a physical quantity called absolute humidity. So you write here absolute humidity and underline this word. Then for normal human eye, the near point is at 25 centimeters. So you underline to the 25 centimeter and write this whole sentence. Then the astronomical object close to us is in our galaxy is moon. So you write firstly this whole sentence and underline the word moon. In the Wilfley table method, the particles of gang are separated by dash separation method. So you write the gravitational separation method. Okay, so you firstly again you keep in your mind, firstly you write the whole sentence and then write the answer and underline to answer. This is the question number first A. For B, question number B is answer the following. Here also find the odd one out. So you can firstly write the question and then you write answer. It is also sufficient, and after that you directly write the answer. It is also sufficient for question B, first B. But if you once solve the question number first A, then you don't solve it repeat again and again, because if you solve it question is the first, this is only checked by examiner. Okay, so you don't write this question is again and again. Okay, if you have the confusion for some time, that time you stop sometimes, and after that you firstly confirm the answer and then you write down the answer. Okay, but don't write the question first A again and again in your question paper. You write it once. If your question is wrong, that time you cut that answer and then write correct answer. Okay, so for find odd one out, you can first write the whole question, after that you write the answer. It is also sufficient, or you directly write the question number properly and directly you can write the correct answer. So here voltmeter, ammeter, thermometer and galvanometer. Which is the one odd one out? This is the thermometer. Okay, because voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer is all related to the electric circuit, but thermometer is not related to the electric circuit, so it is the odd one out. Then second, complete the correlation. So you write the whole question. Alkene C double bond C, for alkyne C triple bond C. State true or false the frequency of AC for true and false. You firstly write the question and then you write your answer, true or false. Here the frequency of AC is 50 Hz. It is the true. Then match the column. You also write the column A, column B. The wavelength of red light is, what is the wavelength of red light? Is 700 nanometer. It is the correct answer B. Then here also one word question is given. Name the first artificial satellite sent by Russian in space. For that you don't write directly answer. You write the first artificial satellite sent by Russian is, or Russian, which is the satellite, क्या नाम है उसका? The name of that satellite is Sputnik. Okay, so you write the answer in whole sentence. Okay, then question 2A, give scientific reason. So here 3 is given, out of 3 you solve any 2. Okay, so for this also you directly write the proper question number and directly solve. For this question 2A first, question 2A second, according to that you write the question. According to this you write the question number, because if you solve all the questions are correctly, but you write the question number is wrong, that time your answer will be considered as wrong. So you also take care about your proper question number also. Okay, then question 2b is answer the following. Here here chances, because each question is having 2 marks, so here having the chances the numericals also come. Question 2b and question 3 having the chances of numericals. Okay, so here how much heat energy is necessary to raise the temperature of 5 kg of water from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So here very simple formula, that is the heat energy is equal to mc delta T. Okay, m is the mass of the water, c is the specific heat of water, that is the 1 kilocalorie per kg degree Celsius, and delta T means change in temperature, that is the 100 minus 20, it is the 80 degrees Celsius. And according to the formula, heat energy is equal to mc delta T. We can solve this question. And then question second, observe the given figure. Okay, for question B, 2b first, here you firstly write the which term we have to calculate. Here the heat energy, so first you write the given data, that is the m is equal to mass of the water or weight of the water is 5 kg, then delta T 100 minus delta T. What is the delta T? It is the change in temperature. So what is the change in temperature? 100 minus 20 degrees Celsius, that is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. And also what is the C? C, it is the constant term for different material. For water, specific heat of water, C is 1 kilocalorie per kg degree Celsius. So you also write their units. Okay, and when we calculate your final answer, that time you also give the unit, because it also having the marks. Okay, then second, observe the given figure for Fleming's right hand rule and write the labels of A and B. If such type of questions are asked, that time you firstly draw the diagram. Okay, draw diagram. Here what is it is the Fleming right hand thumb rule. Sorry, it is not thumb rule, it is the Fleming right hand rule. So in that right hand rule, the thumb is indicate as the motion of the conductor. Then A is, it is the index finger, it is represented as the direction of the magnetic field, and B, it is the middle finger, it is indicated as the direction of the induced current. Okay, so you firstly draw the diagram, and then A represent what and B represent what, you write in your answer. Okay, because in this question the terms are given, you identify the terms, so you draw the diagram is necessary, because it is easy for checking the examiner also, and it is also easy to understand examiner also. Okay. Then question 2b method, if such type of questions are there, then there is no need, because according to that diagram there are some questions are asked, A and B questions are asked, so there is no need for to draw the diagram. Okay, so here one graph is given, and according to that graph the questions are asked. The first question is name the process represented in the figure. कौन सी process है ये? It is the anomalous behavior of water. Okay, and at what temperature does this process is take place? The temperature is in between the, कौन सा temperature है? In between the 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius temperature. Okay, because this is the volume of the water. When we are heating the water from its 0, means it is 0 degree Celsius, it means it is the ice. Okay, when we are starting to heating to the ice, that time from temperature 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, instead of their volume is, means when we are supplying heat to heat to any solid or ice, it absorbs heat and converted into its liquid state. but here some change is happening. Instead of expanding their volume, there is a contraction of ice is formed in between the temperature 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, means it is the specific temperature. Instead of expansion of ice is happen, there is a contraction of ice is happening, and hence this behavior of water, it is called as the anomalous behavior of water, and this process is happening in between the temperature 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, then question 4. So you, for question here, question is copper sulfate reacts with ferrous. Okay, that time which type of reaction is happening? This is the displacement reaction. Okay, because when we see the series of metal reactivity, in the series of metal reactivity, iron is more reactive as compared to the copper, so it shows the displacement reaction. Okay, then fourth is write short note on alloying. So it is the question of 2 marks. Okay, each question having 2 marks. So for this question you write at least minimum 4 points. Okay, in first you write the definition. Okay, then in second you write the examples. Okay, any one example. In third means when we take the steel, or when we take the brass, it is nothing but the combination of 2 metals like the aluminium and copper. So what proportion they combine? Okay, this point you also write in here, and also second example also. Okay, means for this question you write at least 4 and 5 points. Okay, 4 or 5 points. Then question 3. Okay, question 3 we already seen in the previous video, it having the 15 marks. Each question carries the 3 marks. So here is given an element has its electronic. So for this there is no need to write the question, you directly write the answer, but you write the proper question number. Okay, an element has its electronic configuration 282. Now answer the following. What is the atomic number of its element? So atomic number is 12. Okay, कौन से ग्रुप में आता है मैग्नीशियम? is present in which group? It is present in the second group, and period is third. Okay, then observe the given. For this given the figure shown in the orbit of a planet moving around the sun, and write the 3 laws related to it. So you draw the diagram for this question. Okay, when the related to diagram questions are asked, there is no need for to draw the diagram, but the question is asked, explain the figure, explain the following diagram. So that time you draw the diagram. So this is the Kepler's law. 3 laws are Kepler's 3 laws. It is in chapter 1st, gravitation. So you firstly draw the diagram and then write the 3 laws related to this diagram. Okay, then question third is one paragraph is given. Okay, here no need for to write the whole paragraph, because in paragraph the filling the blanks are given. That time you write the whole paragraph, but here not filling the blanks is given. Okay, here depends on this paragraph, some questions are given, so there is no need to write the paragraph. Okay, so you directly write the question 3 third A. Okay, name the 2 wires having the potential difference of 220 वोल्ट. कौन से वायर है उसके बीच में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस 220 वोल्ट है? फर्स्ट इज अ लाइव एंड सेकेंड इज अ न्यूट्रल वायर. ओके, live and neutral wire having the potential difference 220 volts. Here is answer of this question. Then what is the short circuit? Short circuit क्या है? When due to the fault in the equipment, if plastic coating in the wire, live and neutral wire gives away, the wire come in contact with each other, a large current flows through it and producing heat. If any inflammable material exists around that place, it can catches the fire, and this is known as the short circuit. Then write the function of fuse. Fuse is used for to avoid the short circuit. Okay, so you write the answer of this question. For question 3 3 में 4th. Okay, there is also no need to draw the diagram. Okay, you directly write the answer. Here a question is, name the process represented by the figure. Which process is happening in the figure? This is the refraction of light. Okay, then state the 2 laws related to this process. Okay, actually it having the 3 laws, but out of 3 you write any 2 laws. First is a Snell's law, sin I is equal to sin R. Okay, or sin I upon sin R is equal to constant. Okay, this is the first law. And second, you write according to this diagram. Then next is what is an artificial. It is the very simple question. Name any 2 artificial satellites, state their function. It is very easy. Then answer the following questions. Here also A, what is the hydrocarbon? Name of the types of the hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons means the compound consists of only hydrogen and carbon. It is called hydrocarbon. And name of the types of hydrocarbon, basically saturated and unsaturated and again unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, then their example also you write here. And name of carbon compound used in day-to-day life. In day-to-day life we are using a lot of things, and these all are made up from hydrocarbons. Vegetable also having hydrocarbons. Okay, plant is having the cellulose. Cellulose is also consist of hydrocarbons. Glucose is also consist of hydrocarbons. Then we are using a different fiber in day-to-day life, like the synthetic fiber. Okay, so this is also consist of hydrocarbons. There are number of examples, but here only ask 2 examples to you. So you write the name of this hydrocarbon and also draw their structure of that hydrocarbon we are using in day-to-day life. For question 3rd, 7th question. Here 8 question is given. Out of 8 you solve any 5 questions. Okay, each question carries 3 marks. So here depends on this diagram questions are asked, so there is no need to draw the diagram. Okay, it's very simple. And for complete the following table, so for this question complete the following table, you don't write directly answer. Okay, you firstly draw this table. Okay, and write down this also. Then इसका जो आंसर है ये भी you write this whole structure of this 2 carbon containing hydrocarbon and underline to this structure. Okay, means जहाँ पे भी filling the blank से जो आंसर आपको लिखना है उसके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना है. Okay, then question 4. Okay, answer any one of the following. 2 questions are given. Out of 2 you solve any one question. So here firstly you draw the diagram of human eye and then explain. Okay, write question A. Name of the lens is used in human eye, that is the biconvex lens. Name of the screen at which the maximum amount of incident light is refracted. Refraction of light is happening on the surface of lens. So on lens. State the nature of image found by object on the screen inside the eye. Basically screen, it is the retina of the eye, so their image is always inverted and smaller in size and real image is formed. Okay, but due to the neuron when sense gives to our brain, that time it is converted in means upright images formed in our eyes. Okay, so you explain these all things. Okay, question first. Out of 2 questions you solve any one question, and you solve this question is very clearly, means your diagram is well labeled also. Then you draw the each and every part of the eye is very clear. Then you write the answer is point wise also. Okay, means whole you don't write name of the type of lens used in human eye is, don't write directly biconvex lens. Okay, you explain it very well. Okay, and means why this lens is used, you also give some reason. Okay, so it is well means it is very representative in your paper. When you write directly the biconvex lens, you also got mark but less, but when we represent it well, that time you got out of mark. Okay, so this representation is for to increasing your marks. Okay, and basically when you start your solve the question paper, that time you solve your questions serial. Okay, serially solve karo, because it is not complicated for examiner also and for your paper checking also. Okay, so all the best for your next paper of class 10 and also for your science paper. So do well study and also represent your paper is very well. So thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Sharada Surose. Thank you.